Have you ever taken a shower in a waterfall? Worry no more, because today I'm going to do the craziest shower ever taken in the whole of world. No one have ever showered in a waterfall, but today I, Makasi Scissors, I'm going to take a shower in a waterfall. Last time, as you can remember, this spot is where I took a bath, but today I'm going to take a bath in the waterfall. Come, let me show you the waterfall. You can see the ambience. Ah! No, it's another adventure series. Today's adventure, we'll be exploring this waterfall. I'll be taking the biggest shower in the whole world because today I'll be bathing in the waterfall. Last time, as you remember, I took a bathing there and people told me, oh, Makasi, why didn't you take the shower in the waterfall? Today, I'm going to take the shower here. Today, the weather is good. You can see there, that's tea leaves. And you know, the places where there is tea leaves, it's extremely cold. So I had to like find a day where the weather is favoring me, like a sunny day. And today is the best day. So let's let's first take a snack. Yeah, I'll be using the gunya and the soap to take a shower there. Here I have some snack. Let me wash the snack and we take a snack as I meditate. Yeah, this is a sugar cane. It is type of a food, a snack where we consume the stem. I'm washing it. You know, hygiene is so very important. It's just one type of snack. Very cool. ya? Hadi ko. Weka ate ya. Dero ya. Aya we oguo. Oh. Like I need to have this view for the, it's a forest. Uh, also, I'm so disappointed. Like this is mud. Soil which has which has destroyed itself. Yeah. Like huh? For my safety. Like, but I won't dip my head in the water because because when I my head is freshly detached. You can see to the from the previous video, like my head wasn't detached. I didn't have this here, but the hair is too fresh, so I won't dip it in the water. But I will take a dive up to there to the waterfall.
Na kanyamu ke haha. Mumene ndingĩcoka thutha no ũnjigue.
You can see guys.
No ũnjigue rũĩ.
I lost my microphone here, just leave it to my bed. I know you can hear it speaking, but I can't see.
Nĩ haha thĩinĩ. Haha gĩthara gatagatĩ. Haha gĩthara-inĩ gĩkĩ hau. Nakona?
Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. That's what I wanna congratulate myself. Like it's a dream coming true. That's waterfall. But hope everyone have enjoyed. To all my returning subscribers and to everyone who have watched the video to this end, I really appreciate. But you can comment in the comment section which country or where are you watching the vlog from. That's the outlet of the waterfall. Like tell me what to do next. What do you expect from me? Do's and not do's. You know, every day is a learning day. That's why I love connecting with people in the comment section so that I can learn more. Besides, the waterfall rides are very beautiful forest where you can come chill you with your friends. You can connect with the nature. That's how we do it here. Africa, we have the nature. And for more vlogs, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out them. Yeah. Next, I'll be doing more of the African vlogs. So next, it will be a surprise. Even jumping from the water from their top, like diving into the water. And I really appreciate. Maybe we'll have reached like 10,000 subscribers. Like the best thing with this waterfall is if you love also hiking, yeah, we got you. You see, like getting back to the top, you need to hike. But there we have an assist of a tree. It's so fresh. I think it's indigenous trees because it's so flexible. Yeah, you can no matter the weight, you can flexible with it.
Ate? Ndiaigua. Ni gũtarĩ riũa ndakĩona riũa nĩ rĩacomoka. Ate? Ũguo nĩ agoka gatatũ. Abe arigwo nĩwe. Nimekora ndakomborithirio nyũmba. Ate? Nĩũraigua ciĩ nene.
Nani ndio akili?